Jonathan, you remember at Grandma's house you had snow when you was little?
Yes. Yeah.
It was more than this though.
Yeah, it was more than this.
Huh? Yeah, ice. Get that stick and scoop it up with it.
This thing?
Yeah, try to scoop it up.
Hey, bro. This stick will help. Can I eat it?
Nah, it's dirty now. Grandma used to make some ice cream some snow ice cream. Get back before you fall down the steps, Jason. Move back. Y'all get back over there.
Maybe see I can make, a snowball.
Snowball?
It's not letting me to.
Yeah, it's too light.
You need soft snow. That's why I'm scraping.
Hey! Who throw that ice at me? Ah! 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 All right, last one. Okay, that's enough. Come on, let's go inside. That's enough. Come on, boys. It's getting dried up. It's getting dried up. Clean your feet off on the rug, Jonathan. Come on, Jason. Let's go.